What's up, boy?
I'm hither.
What happened?
I'm hither.
What's up?
I'm hither.
Okay, what do you want? You want to come in? You want what?
Well, yeah.
Alright, alright.
Okay, so we're gonna go check in tomorrow.
Late at night. Or
No, the flight's early tomorrow.
Early when? 2 p.m. or a.m.
Yeah, I said be at my house at 10:30 a.m.
So it's at 2 p.m.
2:25 p.m. My uncle's gonna pick us up. He's gonna I said be there 11:30, but he said he'll try being there at 11. So whatever, and it takes whatever 15-20 minutes to get there. I don't know traffic, and then we have to check in at the counter, and then security, and I'll like tell you the stuff there. It's just like pretty much take off your shoes, take off stuff from your wallet.
Pants?
Take off your pants.
No, don't move. Don't move. Okay, basic stuff. If you don't know what they're saying, I'll do the talking. Try not to like, if you have like your phone or your camera stuff, walk with it like in front of you when you're just like not using it, not off to the side, just in case someone swoops by and take it. I mean, nothing's ever happened to me. I used to have my like DS, and I used to like play like this. People could like snatch it, but like just to be safe and like watch the one time something happens, it's gonna be like to you when like a friend comes or something. So like just like be careful with that when we're out like that. Guys, like handshake, and like sometimes they'll give you like a hug, like depending if it's like family or something. And then yeah, girls, even if you don't know them and no matter the age, kiss on the cheek, like this.
What about that? Kiss on what
You want? If you're into that, I guess.
You're technically my first person outside the country with.
That's awesome.
So it won't feel.
Because you go to Peru.
No, yeah, because we're gonna like be with family. It won't feel like it, but technically it's the first time I'll be outside the country with anyone of not family relations.
You're so crazy.
You're quite privileged.
Yeah. I wanted to go to the bank early in the morning to get some crisp $100 bills.
For what?
I don't know. Don't I need cash out there?
You have to call your credit card or debit card to tell them you're gonna be out of town, so that they could allow your card to be used out of country. Because
I could swipe over there?
yeah, insert whatever.
Oh really? No way.
Yeah. So
that was a third world country.
they'll still have that stuff.
That was a third world.
How do you pay?
I pay with rocks.
Yeah, rocks and bartering.
I have a crap load of change.
That bag over there.
Did you see it? You out? You like freaking get that change. I've been picking up change everywhere. Everywhere I go.
Strip club!
Yeah! Anyways.
Well, your mom's like, what? Company.
I'll be holding you. We could ride the line waves together or so.
Thank you, witness. Well. Are you hyped?
Yeah, so
This is your first time out of the country. No, out of the country.
like into another country? Yes.
Well, where did you go?
Bahamas, that counts. And
So this isn't. So you lied to me.
I lied so I could get the job so I could come here. As a cameraman. They took away all my bad
What are you saying? So this is not your second. So lies. Not your first. First time in South America.
First time in a completely different country.
You went to Bahamas.
Is that a different country?
Yes. That's a country. What is it? The 51st state?
Yeah, it's not really like
So,
a continent.
Japan's an island, New Zealand's an island. Oh, those aren't countries, Mike. Good weather. Good weather. Hope for good weather. Onegashimasu.
Can we fill up our water bottle soon?
Yeah, that's the fountain thing. We're gonna fill up for our last US Our last sip, yes.
I'll savor it. I won't even drink it. I'll just keep it all.
Keep it. That's gonna be your toothbrush water?
Yeah.
Hola, México.
Hola.
Hola. Hola, mi güey. Hola,
¿Qué pasa, carnal?
Ni hao.
Ni hao, China. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Annyeong.
North and South Korea.
안녕하세요. 안녕.
Yeah.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Yes.
Annyeonghaseyo.
I feel like.
안녕하세요.
¿Estás aprendiendo o no?
No.
Are you learning or not?
Oh yes.
No, you're not. Oh, sorry. Sorry, la cámara.
I'm
You scared of the dog.
I'm scared of Leia.
Leia.
Okay, Leia's doing
Leia.
nothing.
She's like, oh,
Leia.
Leia! She's deaf.
No more, I'm like.
One.
He'll be the guy that's like, what? I will be like.
I've been lying to you this whole time. I know I speak Spanish.
Then speak.
No, I forgot.
What? I'm not ready to be a Hollywood star. I'm gonna show you my Cusco pictures. Because I was there last year, but not in Machu Picchu. But you'll be in Cusco for how many days?
2.
Just 2 days?
2 days.
One night? You'll go to Machu Picchu? What? You'll be dead.
I hope so.
Look, and...
Oh, you went to Lake?
Yeah.
No.
What?
I was gonna say Lake Titicaca, but no.
No, not Titicaca. This is in Huaraz, somewhere else. There's this, I don't know if you know, Laguna 69. This is so nice. You know what I would love to see?
Julian's seen.
Yeah, I know. We're in Sweden, I think.
Yeah. This is one of my favorite. I
Yeah,
wanna
so
go.
nice. Like the movies.
Yeah.
But what was the name? Like the Disney movie? Brother Bear or Big
Brother Bear? Yeah, no, Brother Bear.
Brother Bear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it's like that, but
And the lights stick to you. What else?
What's somewhere you want to travel to?
Somewhere I want to travel. I want to go to Asia. I want to go to Thailand.
Thailand, really?
Yeah. I know. And get massage. I don't know, but I'm really scared. Like you remember the tsunami that happened here? Yeah. Like I prefer the city because I don't like the beach that much. I know it's weird, but I don't like the sea. I'm super scared.
Yeah, me too.
Of water and everything. So, but I would love to go here, but because of the culture and like, I know you're Christian, but like there's Buddhism and
that's cool.
what else? Hinduism and all these things. I would love like to see.
To learn and see all that. Yeah,
yeah.
Julian, I think was over there, and it was cool to see him go and look at that stuff. Like they have crazy giant sculptures.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Into Japan.
Japan.
Into Harajuku. I want to do that. They dress crazy like the girls.
Oh my god.
And it's so funny. It's so funny. But like if I want to go there and I would just dress like them and go like everywhere like this. But really I'm trying to save to go back to Europe next year.
Wow.
I know because I loved it. It's so nice. I mean it's super different from like my culture is similar, or I know a lot from Americans more. But like in Europe, I don't know, like everything's so cool.
What? What's cool about it?
Everything. All people.
That is my dream.
we wanted to make this video, so we're going to do it tomorrow, fine. But we have to make it tomorrow and edit it tomorrow. Everything right now.
What the hell?